Hi everyone, my name is Hong and I am the account manager at Upteamist. In today's webinar, I'm going to show you how Upteamist can optimize your training distribution, simplify your learning management, and improve users' knowledge and support. So Upteamist is a learning management system that can be used in many cases. Let's take the example of an HR department that wants to manage onboarding processes or promote self-learning. On Upteamist, they will be able to centralize, manage, and distribute the materials. You will find a quick and easy way to create your content and then share it with your employees. Upteamist can also be used in the education field for organizations such as education centers, universities, schools, where teachers and professors will be able to create their content and then share it and distribute it to their students. I'm talking about lessons, webinars, videos, links. They will also be able to embed any types of forms to collect information about their students, feedbacks about the lessons, or answers about a specific test, for example. Companies can also leverage Upteamist to share knowledge internally. If you want to provide specific trainings to your employees or provide the certifications available within your organization, you can do it on Upteamist. You can also share knowledge with external users. I'm talking about partners and providers. You can share with them any types of documents, contracts, agreements, but you can also share information about upcoming products or upcoming release. Then we have the management of onboarding processes. We talked about it already, but there are so much information that you can share with your employees, and Upteamist is definitely a great way to centralize that and manage that. Here's why Upteamist is chosen by your clients. There is actually no IT and no code required to use our platform, and you can set it up in less than 2 minutes. It's an all-in-one training center, and you can create unlimited modules and trainings. The key features, once again, it's a great way to centralize and promote communication. You will be able to manage permissions, meaning that the content that you create can be shared to specific users. So not everyone will have access to your content, but you can actually choose the people you share your content with. And then you will have access to our report center, where you have information about the overall usage of the sites. I'm talking about the number of users, the content that is the most viewed, the document that is the most downloaded, etc. About the pricing, we have two options. We have the standard subscription, where you have full access to our solution, but only for 30 days. And then you have the premium subscription, where it's more a month-to-month engagement at $5.49 a month. After my presentation, feel free to sign up for the free trial. You have 30 days to test our solution. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me at hey@upteamist.com. Now, let's start the demo. So here we have Upteamist site created for one of our training center. It's, as you can see, we have already some modules created. It's actually lessons. And I'm going to show you in a few seconds and in a few clicks how I can create a new module and then share it to my user base. So to create a module, just click on here, add a new training module. I'm going to add that. So it's and then apply it. When we apply it, it's going to show up here on the page, and we are going to start to be able to add pages and forms. We are going to add one page. Let's say that it's a webinar lesson simply. I have my content ready here, so I'm just going to copy paste it. Here it's copy paste. You can save it as a draft, attach documents, links, and publish it. We are going to publish it. Here you go. Your first lesson is created. Then let's go back to the module center. And here we are going to add one form. I have an English test ready here. And I'm just going to grab the link and copy paste it on Upteamist. Save. This is the webinar quiz. Once again, ability to save it as a draft, but we are going to publish it. Once it's published, obviously your students will be able to add comments, and then just in a few seconds I show you how we just created a lesson and the quiz that is linked to this lesson. Now let's see how we can share that with our user base. In the Manage tab, we can invite new users. I'm going to invite myself and then add the module that we just created. So webinar lesson. And then I send the invitation. Here you go. Once I receive the notification email, I will be linked to, here you go, I will just receive the email notification. I will be redirected to this page. On this page, your users can choose between Office 365 emails, Gmail accounts, Twitter or LinkedIn accounts to access your module. Here we have the report center where you have overall information about usage, right? Number of users, the most content view, the documents that is the most downloaded, activities, etc. So in just a few seconds, I just started my experience on Upteamist, and I just created a lesson and share it with my user base. So if you want to try it, just try our free trial. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up at hey@upteamist.com.